full tank of gas does have a downside. It'll be spilling everywhere. Damn. For this, I'll even get up and go show you. These kind of potholes you can meet on this road. It's bottomless. Here's my fist, and here's this hole. I can fit my entire arm in there and still won't reach the bottom. Okay, a 19-inch Nipper wheel would drive over this with no problems. But imagine a scooter, you can kill yourself with this. How's it going, man? Yeah. Good boy, good boy. The final drive that I assembled from junk didn't last long, so of course it developed a gigantic backlash. Also, during the first ride, it might have seemed to you that the wheel is bent. In fact, the wheel is straight, it's just a tire that didn't sit completely on the rim, and I was just too lazy to fix it. Therefore, I went for a ride like this. Here this line goes evenly, if you spin the wheel a little forward. Then the same line, whoops, starts to go behind a bead. Unfortunately, the poor U-joint yoke lost its pin and I still don't know where it went. It definitely couldn't have fallen out. Oh yeah. But of course, I'm too lazy to go through the entire unit, so I left these ring gear and pinion be. Earlier, this line wasn't visible at all, it was right here behind a bead. Now it's way better, but I'll have to repeat this whole process again. Outstanding. These springs were too soft, so I needed a different set. This one was just like this one, but at some point it broke and someone bent it. So now I'll have to break this second one in the same place and bend it in the same way. Now we're talking. Overall, this is what my typical day looks like. Sometimes there's more nippers, sometimes fewer, but one way or another, every day there's a nipper on my agenda. There's no deep meaning in this video, it's just needed for a moral rest from the infinite custom build. From the constant grinding, from the never-ending welding, and from the everlasting work with a chisel. You know everything about this nipper. This is my father's nipper. I just admire it. This is my most favorite motorcycle in the whole world. About that monster, you know everything as well. Its building process is on the channel. And about this nipper, I'll tell you in a few words. Despite its rusty appearance, it has quite a long story and it also means a lot to me. In 2009, I bought this nipper from a buddy of mine, in the form of a frame, rear fender, disassembled engine, and gearbox. This was my very first motorcycle I bought. I bought it for parts for this nipper. Eventually, I successfully removed parts from it, and in 2017 it dawned on me, why not assemble it entirely from used parts? And I mean rod shell bearings, rings, gaskets, everything here is used. Valves, cylinders, carburetors, absolutely everything here is worn out to death. I assembled it back then just for giggles, just so it starts up and runs. I was curious, will a nipper fully assembled from used parts be able to work? It started, it worked, and worked well. Then I needed to carry something with a sidecar. I don't want to attach a sidecar to this bike, so I attached it to this one, went out and did the work, and it stayed with the sidecar permanently. I use it almost every day. It's a genuine workhorse. Every day it carries something heavy. And yes, it's still in the condition of a motorcycle completely assembled from used, worn out parts. And it works. Thanks for the support. Till the next one.